Hi everyone, my name's Tommy Oldfield and this is Flack. This is project 2 for CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. We'll just jump straight into it. When you first go onto the application, you'll ask for a username. I'm just going to type in my name, click submit, and then you'll be shown the chat interface. Where you can create your channel over here. There's a list of available channels and your direct messages. So we're going to create a channel. I'll just call this general. Click create. It comes up as hash general. Click on the channel and it says now talking in general. Kind of like the old school IRC chats. And then we'll type in a message. Hello everyone. Click send, and it just appears my name, the time, and date, and your message. Okay, so I've loaded up Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, as well as Firefox on the left. And just to show you how it all works when multiple users are on the app. So, being a small screen, I've set it so that for mobile responsiveness, that the create channel on the left just shrinks in when small enough. So if I click on show chat room list, it'll show the channel list, and then if I click off, go back to the message view. So we're just going to join general, and you'll see other people's messages in grey and your own in yellow. So now if I type, it'll appear on the other two browsers. Same on Chrome. If I type in hello Edge, click send, it'll appear on everyone else's. And so if I want to create a new channel on Edge, let's just say gaming, create, it'll appear on other people's views as well. So I can click on that, type in my favorite game is Dark Souls, for instance. If I can spell it correctly. Click on gaming and it'll appear there. And it'll remember your messages from when you click to different channels. So now for my personal touch, I implemented private messaging. So how this works, if I want to send a message to Edge, for example, from the Chrome, I type in the @ sign and the username, type the message, and then it'll appear here underneath the messages tab, and then the sender will also receive a link to click on the channel that they're speaking in. So I can type in hello Chrome, and they'll both appear, and then nothing will appear on anyone else's. So if I want to type a message to Chrome, it doesn't appear on Edge. So that's pretty much it for the Flack project. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have any questions about this project, leave a comment and I'll try and help you out.